Welcome to our channel where we make online learning simple and easy for you. Welcome to our channel where we make online learning simple and easy for you. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to log into your Podia account smoothly and without any hassle. First, open your preferred web browser and type in the official Podia website URL. Once the home page loads, look for the Sign In button usually located at the top right corner of the page and click on it. Now you'll be directed to the login page, where you need to enter your registered email address in the designated field. Make sure that the email you enter is the one you used when you signed up for Podia. Next, enter your password carefully. If you're worried about forgetting your password, there is also an option to show the password as you type. If you have forgotten your password, don't worry. Click on the Forgot Password link just below the password field and follow the instructions to reset it via your email. After entering your credentials, double-check for typos to avoid login errors, then click the Sign In button. If your details are correct, you will be immediately logged into your account dashboard. From here, you can access all your courses, products, and membership content easily. Remember, for future logins, you can choose to stay signed in by ticking the Remember Me box, which will save your details for quick access next time. That's it. You are now ready to explore your Podia account and enjoy all the amazing features it offers without any trouble. Don't forget to keep your login details secure and avoid sharing them with others. Your Podia account is your personal gateway to your online learning and selling journey. We hope this step-by-step guide was clear and helpful. Make sure to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Also, stay tuned for more tutorials on using Podia effectively to grow your online business.